Welcome back guys. This tutorial I'm going to show you reset all settings on your Android phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the general management option, tap on it. After the page is open, scroll down again. Here you can find the reset option. Once you found them, click on them. After that, scroll down again. You can see reset section under various options. Look for the reset all settings option, click on them. Then at the very bottom, tap on the reset settings button. After that, verify to enter your lock screen password. Then confirm by tapping the reset button. After you tap on reset, your phone automatically restart and then back again. And you have successfully done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe my channel.